The 2025 Jaguar XF is a luxury sedan that seamlessly blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. It commands attention with its sleek silhouette and embodies the spirit of athleticism. Exterior asterisk. Asterisk sleek and athletic design asterisk. The XF boasts a captivating exterior with sharp lines, a distinctive grille, and sculpted surfaces. Asterisk head-turning presence asterisk. Its elongated proportions and short overhangs create a sense of dynamic tension, making it stand out on the road. Asterisk premium finishes asterisk high-quality materials and finishes, such as chrome accents and LED lighting, enhance the XF's luxurious appeal. Interior asterisk. Asterisk luxurious and refined asterisk. The interior is a haven of comfort and sophistication, featuring premium leather upholstery, real wood veneers, and metal accents. Asterisk spacious and comfortable asterisk. The XF offers ample space for both driver and passengers, with ergonomically designed seats and plenty of legroom and headroom. Asterisk tech forward asterisk. The XF is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a digital driver display, and a premium Meridian sound system. Performance asterisk. Asterisk powerful and efficient asterisk. The XF offers a range of powerful yet efficient engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder mild hybrid option. Asterisk smooth and responsive asterisk. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and effortless shifts, while the XF's all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and handling. Asterisk engaging driving dynamics asterisk. The XF delivers a thrilling driving experience with agile handling and precise steering. Technology asterisk. Asterisk advanced infotainment asterisk. The Pivi Pro infotainment system features a large touchscreen, intuitive controls, and seamless smartphone integration. Asterisk digital driver display asterisk. The customizable digital driver display provides essential information in a clear and concise manner. Asterisk advanced driver assistance systems asterisk. The XF is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Jaguar XF is a compelling choice for those seeking a luxury sedan that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its sophisticated design, comfortable interior, and engaging driving dynamics make it a standout in its class. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, impressed by its advanced features, or excited by its powerful engine options, the XF offers something for everyone.